At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, September 7, 2023, hey, Archer Aviation investors. Mark your calendars for September 12th. Is this electric vertical takeoff and landing stock finally worth a bid right now? Even with Archer Aviation stock's recent uptick, contrarian investors detect noteworthy untapped potential in its outlook. The stock's rally could start on September 12 due to a key catalyst. Cathie Wood recognizes substantial promise in this emerging standout, with other growth investors likely to follow. In 2023, Archer Aviation, NYSE, ACHR, stock surged over 250%, drawing the attention of short sellers, with 24.58 million shares shorted as of August 15, up from 14.1% on July 31. With Archer stock's average daily trading volume, it would take 3.2 days to cover the short positions, considered moderately high. Thus, this is a company that's clearly being honed in on as a potential short squeeze candidate in this current environment. That said, there are other potential catalysts for this electric vertical takeoff and landing company. Here's what I think investors should keep an eye on for the coming weeks when it comes to Archer Aviation. Cathie Wood is so bullish for Archer. ARK Invest, led by Cathie Wood, displayed strong confidence in Archer Aviation by investing nearly $3.9 million in the company. This purchase encompassed around 604,000 shares and was executed via various ARK ETFs. Indeed, where Cathie Wood trades is where many aggressive growth investors gravitate toward. Cathie Wood is known for investing in downtrodden tech stocks, but Archer Aviation doesn't fit that profile. Archer stock has surged 105% in the last 2 quarters and is currently up 10%. Cathie Wood's bullish stance on Archer signals the company's potential in the booming electric vertical takeoff and landing market, set to grow significantly by 2030. Archer stock remains attractively priced, leaving room for further investment if its growth persists. Cost to borrow fee doubled for Archer stock. Archer's cost to borrow fee, the annual cost for short sellers to borrow shares, has risen significantly to 9.96% from 4.94% on August 18. Although it peaked at 12.37% earlier this week, it remains above average but not exceptionally high, typically ranging from 0.3% to 3%. A higher cost to borrow fee indicates greater short seller demand. Archer's elevated cost to borrow fee and substantial short interest suggest strong short seller demand. Interestingly, a high cost to borrow fee can inadvertently drive the stock higher as short sellers may rush to buy to avoid fees. However, this hasn't occurred yet. Recently, Archer obtained an FAA Special Airworthiness Certificate for its Midnight production aircraft, enabling test flight operations. Wait for September 12. Mark your calendars for September 12, as Archer Aviation unveils its Midnight electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft at the Global Aerospace Summit in Washington, D.C. It's the Midnight's debut to the public. Archer Aviation CEO, Adam Goldstein, and Chief Safety Officer, Billy Nolan, will lead the presentation at the U.S. Chamber of Commerce event at the Ronald Reagan Building and International Trade Center. Goldstein expressed excitement about the event's theme, highlighting the future of urban air mobility with industry collaboration. Keep an eye on Archer stock during the event, it's likely to act as a catalyst, potentially sparking a rally. What now? Archer stock's future is speculative, but the urban air mobility market shows promise with projected substantial growth. Cathie Wood's increased investment indicates growing confidence, fueling speculative interest. There's also growing demand from speculators and other retail investors around this stock, which could lead to volatility. My view is that Archer stock is intriguing as a trade, but may be a difficult stock to digest as a long-term holding at these levels. I'm waiting for the dust to settle before making up my mind just yet. Thanks for watching.